Skies stay low when the nights stay golden. 30 mil a week, damn shit, I stay ballin'. Never take a break, 20 bitches all to me. Look back to the time, cash never stay boring. Got my eyes low, both eyes low. Walking in snow, bitch, walking for the show. Packing back kids, never fucking with a snitch. Chase jump to the edge of the place on the cliff.
Yo, I got a big up man like Night Lovell. Yo, straight to the top, we never fell. See me? Yeah, I got a big up renegade, yo. You're a renegade, you know. Yo, wait take this thing. You think man a joker?
That's that renegade, that nigga renegade. Taking up the step on my back, shit that nigga made. Playing with the rag from the top, nigga whack. Place down to the back, no sound, no damn shit. Say something in the back for a nigga. Play something in the back, no killer. Shout to the block when I kill, no thriller. Told you that I never fucking try, never.
What up guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. Right now I'm editing my video right now, and yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll be coming more videos. And yep, so yeah, this is an old video. I decided to finish it right now. I did a lot of modifications to my car. I changed the hood scoops, and yeah, I haven't recorded videos no more, but I decided to do this one. And so yep, I did it like a week ago, and yep, here you go, back again. Alright, so right now we're gonna change the lights. They're gonna be the LED ones. The one changed colors in my 5.014 Mustang. So I'll show you guys the product. This is a Bluetooth out there. Wires. This is the lights. I have to put them in the oven. I take them off, put them in the oven, put it at 220, and leave them for 10 minutes. Try to take it off. So I'm gonna take all this off, all the bumper. Yeah, let's go. Alright, I already took the top plastic off. So I just took this little plastic thingies. This one's come together. You pop the top one off, and then the bottom one comes off easily. So yep, took it off. Now to take this one off, this one, and this two, and this one's. And from there I have to take the ones from the sides and this one, and we go from there. So okay, see you guys back later on when I take it off. Alright guys, so how you guys can see, we remove these small ones on the bottom of the bumper, the ones that go right here, and remove it. Take off the side lights off and pull it off slowly. Start from the sides, take these clips off, pull it, and it comes right out. Okay, now we're gonna be taking these lights off. One bolt right here, no one right here. That's the reason you have to take the bumper off, because you have to take these bolts off. Okay. Forgot to turn off the lights. You have to download this to let it focus. This app, no, it works from Bluetooth. Okay, then you could put customs right here, and you just change it. Watch. See, go back down, put speed, change different colors. Yep, works pretty good. Haven't had no difficulties with that. Colors, you can choose your color. Pink, put blue, put red, green. Then I can put it back to white. Yeah, the middle lights, it's a LED stripe, so I added that one. You have to buy that one separately. You can do it with when you talk. See, when I talk, just changes the colors. It's pretty cool. So. So yeah, that's pretty much it with that. I'm gonna turn it off. Put a switch right here. I did this too, my stripes. I did all that, but I never recorded them, never made the video. I put that, but I never made a video either. Yep. Turn it off. There we go. Alright guys, so that was pretty much it. So see you guys next time when I upload another video. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching.